Hi everyone, and welcome back to Evelyn and Peter. In the previous video I showed you guys how to do the treble or triple crochet, and now I'm going to show you guys how to do the treble crochet 2 together or just a decrease. And it's really simple. Right now I just have a few treble crochets already worked up, and now I'm going to show you how to decrease the next 2 together. So you can see I have my normal stitches, and then the next 2 stitches we want to turn into 1 stitch and to make a decrease. So to do that, just yarn over twice and insert your hook into that very next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and at this point it's just like a normal treble crochet like you've been doing, and instead of finishing off the stitch by yarning over and pulling through the final 2, we're going to yarn over twice and then insert our hook into the next stitch, then yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now you should have 3 loops on your hook, and then just yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You can see we have 2 posts below of the treble crochet, but we've decreased it up to just 1 stitch. I'll show you guys how to do that same thing again. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then instead of finishing off, we're going to yarn over twice again, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3. And that's another decrease.